$41,320 crore. Yes, this is the wealth of world's richest person. I am talking about Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, SolarMax, and yes, Tesla. Tesla की India में, the world's company that has disrupted the EV segment in the world, Tesla, has now entered India, and I am sure by now you've heard the news. In this video, I am going to decode what makes Elon Musk the way he is, what makes him the richest, from being someone who was close to bankruptcy to being the richest in the world. Hi, my name is Anshul Bajaj, and in this episode of Dhande Ki Baat Bajaj ke saath, let's boil down to what makes Elon Musk Elon Musk. But before we do that, I would urge you to subscribe to our channel so that it helps us spread our video to more people. So let's begin. At the heart of how Elon Musk operates is something he calls as the simulation theory. क्या मतलब है इस बात का? Elon Musk believes that the reality in which we live in is not the real reality. What it also means is कि जो हमारी reality है, that keeps on shifting. We are in a simulation world, we are in a programming world. And this is something like as if you're playing a video game. What happens in a video game? And I want you to imagine this, कि आप एक video game खेल रहे हो and let's say आप आगे चलते हो, एक अलग स्टेज पे जाते हो तो एक अलग वर्ल्ड आ जाता है, फिर एक अलग स्टेज पे जाते हो तो एक अलग वर्ल्ड आ जाता है. And this is at the heart of how Elon Musk operates. What this also means is that he believes that what we see around, the things we see around, the things we've been told by our people, by everyone, is not the real reality. You know, one person who also believed in something like this, his name was Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple. Steve Jobs believed in something called as bending reality. He said that with his consciousness, he could change what is fundamentally there, and that's what Elon Musk also believes in. And this is where his idea of colonizing Mars, another planet, that there is life beyond Earth, which he truly believes in, comes from. And what this also means for us as business owner, as someone who wants to grow in their life, is that never accept things in your life how they are. Never accept the programming you've been born with. Look at everything that is a program. And because of this reason, you know, Elon Musk का जो पहला rocket था, that name was Falcon 1. Falcon 1 failed for 3 times in the row. जब भी उसका launch करने जा रहे थे, 3 बार वो launch failure हुआ, and that pushed the company near to bankruptcy. But that did not affect Elon Musk so much. It is where his fearlessness, it is where his boldness, this is the heart of his existence. और उसकी जो fearless है, boldness है, is emotional, how he keeps himself emotionally comes from this, because he believes it's just a game. It's just a game. What happens when you start believing that life is just a game, it's just an advanced level game that you're playing? The stakes become lower. You stop taking things personally. आप failures को इतना personally नहीं लेते. इसीलिए जब एक time था जब टेस्ला के shares नीचे जा रहे थे, जब लोग उसकी बुराई कर रहे थे, that did not waver Elon Musk at all, and he kept doing his work because he kept believing that this is just a simulation, and with his efforts, with his advancements in technology, with his focus, he can even change this perspective. And that happened. And how? Can you relate something to it? And I want to ask you, what are some things you've been told to believe? What are some programs you're living your life with? What are some programs you're doing your business with? And can that shift for you just by believing in the simulation theory? Just by saying ki, yes, this is just an advanced level video game. Let's try this out. Let's see if this works. If this doesn't work, let's try something else. If this doesn't work, let's try something else, and keep doing this until you get what you achieve. The second thing that sits at the heart of Elon Musk is something called as first principles theory. And I have seen his video, I've read the book where he talks about this. What does first principle means? See, होता क्या है लाइफ में कि जब भी हमें कुछ इनोवेशन करना होता है, कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट करना होता है, तो we start by looking at what thing already exists. और यहाँ से ना लोग अपनी लाइफ में इंक्रीमेंटल चेंज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये एक चीज ऐसी बनी हुई है, इसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करके देख लेते हैं कुछ होता है या नहीं. एंड दैट इंक्रीमेंटल शिफ्ट डजंट ब्रिंग great results. It doesn't disrupt the how we operate. And this sits at heart of Elon Musk. He says कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करता हूँ फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल थ्योरी पे. What does this mean? It means कि कोई भी चीज़ आपको नई क्रिएट करनी है, then first boil down, go down to its basics, go down to its roots. And I will share an example. When Elon Musk had proposed the battery car, he proposed an EV car. At that point, the running cost of EV was about $600 per kilowatt hour, and everyone said that it's not possible to bring down the battery pack cost. But what does Elon do? He applied the first principle theory. He boiled it down to कि battery में लगता क्या है, what are the components, and at the heart of it was cobalt, nickel, and all the parts, the plastic, the materials. And he said it's gonna, like, it can't cost that much. And because he was able to boil down the raw material cost of it, he said the battery cost should be about like $80 per kilowatt hour. And today in Tesla, they have, I think, a benchmark of $150 per kilowatt. And this has been possible only because of the first principle theory. आपके लिए इस चीज का क्या मतलब है? कोई भी चीज को, अगर आप एक मशीन खरीद रहे हैं, आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, don't look at what is. Go down, boil down to the basic, decode it, उसके अंदर तक जाओ, and don't feel free to try other things, feel free to try iterations. I'll give you another example. When NASA builds out, NASA का जो space launch program होता है, typically NASA spends about $2 billion for each of its space launches. जब SpaceX अपना launches करता है, they spend about $17 million, which is a fraction of what NASA spends. And this has only been possible. Another example I'll share with you. When Elon Musk had to first procure a rocket, Russia से उसने quote लिया, and Russia quoted about $20 million. And when Elon Musk applied the first principle theory and he boiled down to its components and its development cost, his raw material cost came out only 2% of what the Russians had originally quoted. And this radical shift can happen. Third thing that Elon Musk truly believes in and he applies in each part of his life is simplifying and efficiency. Simplifying and efficiency. This sits at the heart of how SpaceX designs its rockets. This sits at heart of how Tesla cars are made. So if you look at Tesla cars, they are very clean. There's no dashboard, they're minimalist buttons. And every time Elon Musk is sitting with his team, he's asking, why do we need this component? What can we reduce? And the idea is not to reduce cost. The idea is to simplify. The idea is to become efficient. And this again comes from his simulation theory, because he says that we can challenge the status quo, we can challenge the programming. And I want to ask you something. What is it in your life that you're not challenging? What is it maybe in the decisions you are taking? Can you do it more simplified way? Can you do it more efficiently? Can you apply that saying that this is just a program and I can change that program? What if you start doing this? What can happen? And I want you to play with this like it's a game. Because with Elon Musk, he does it like this. You know, when he acquired Twitter at that point, now it's called X, he cut off 80% workforce. Not because he couldn't pay them, but because he wanted to simplify, he wanted to be more efficient. And even after paying 80%, the X, which is now it's called, kept growing, kept being as it is. And that's what sits at heart of it. So again, repeating myself, simulation theory, first principle thinking, simplifying and efficiency. This is the person which makes Elon Musk how he is. Let me know how if this appeals to you, what you can take back. Comment in the video below and see you in the next video. Thank you.